Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix this problem in Valorant. First thing you need to do is open your Windows search and type services. Now once the services window pops up, just go ahead and type VGC or find VGC. Then just go ahead and click start or go to properties and then make sure the startup type is automatic. Then click start, then apply and OK. Then just close your window and then just restart your PC and launch the game again. Next thing you want to do is on your Windows search again, go ahead and type run. Then go to your local app data. Now in this folder, just go and find Riot Games. Then go to Riot Client. Then you see this YAML file. So you just need to rename it. Just put .1 in it. Then click yes. Then just go ahead and close the tab. Next thing you can do is on your desktop, go to Valorant and run as administrator. To do it permanently, click on Properties and go to your Compatibility tab and then just click the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and relaunch the game.